Chapter 16. Unfold. Mystery of Consciousness, Body and Food in Life. Introduction. This chapter deals with the mysterious mystery of consciousness in the body and the importance of food for the body in life, and how consciousness manifests in the body. It does not need food for its existence. Consciousness is self-sustaining till the body is fine and healthy. It is very miraculous and difficult to contemplate, perceive, and experience the consciousness. Its presence in the physical body has been proved by Lord Mahavira, the last Tirthankar of the famous Jain religion of India. Consciousness is a miracle of God in human existence. We know very little about consciousness. In the future, it is being perceived that whole human science and discoveries will move around human consciousness. It will be the source of energy, welfare, and longevity of the human race. A few concepts of this miracle have been deeply contemplated in this chapter. Presently, these might be beyond the grasp of a common man. However, this will be a source of motivation and creativity in all fields of life in existence. Presently, much is not known about consciousness. Consciousness. Consciousness is divine energy and awareness in us. We cannot survive without consciousness. It is the living, active, divine force in us. All our activities move around this. It enters in every human being from the cosmos. It is a spark of cosmic energy. After death, consciousness merges back in the cosmos. However, it maintains its identity till a human being is not liberated. How it enters the human body and merges back in its original source is an unfolded mystery of existence. It does not participate in any human activity, but without its presence, no activity is carried out. It acts like a catalyst in our physical body. We are basically consciousness, since without its existence, we cannot survive. It means it is a part of divine energy or force. It is divinity within us. Mystery of consciousness. Baby grows in the mother's womb around the soul, which is a fragment of consciousness. Consciousness is vacuumed. And when the baby is born, consciousness gets concealed in the physical body in a mysterious way, and breath takes over for the survival and existence of the baby in the physical world. When a person leaves the body, then consciousness is the last to discard the physical body after the last breath leaves the body. It means breath leaves first and then only consciousness leaves the body. However, during the birth of a baby, consciousness exists. As breath appears, consciousness becomes dormant in the body of the baby. But what is consciousness? From where it actually comes is unknown. It is an unknown, mysterious mystery of human science and spirituality. Unique quality of consciousness. Qualities of consciousness are well known. A few individuals are very well aware of its subtle qualities. They cannot demonstrate subtle qualities of consciousness. They are beyond expressions in words. However, qualities of consciousness can be experienced through inner engineering, but words are unable to express its modalities. We exist and survive in this existence in the physical body by food, breath, along with other necessities. We are basically consciousness. Consciousness is the observer in the body. It does not participate in any activity. However, we understand and conceive through the mind and use our senses for physical activities for our survival. Complex system. Our whole existence, physical system, and pattern are very complex. Till today, we have not understood an iota of its working. How everything is closely co-coordinated in our physical, sentimental, and subtle system is a mysterious miracle of our existence. consciousness is universal. It has been well investigated that the whole universe is a single unit. Existence is unity consciousness. We get affected by any happening in the cosmos. We are well affected by disturbances on the sun, disturbances in the deep sea, and all happenings in Mother Nature. Plants and the animal kingdom also affect us. We all are connected through an unknown mysterious way. Any affected part of the body affects each and every cell of the body. All act as a joint family, miraculous connection. How every happening affects us is very miraculous. It shows that we are closely linked with each other through the living mysterious force. It is the consciousness which is present in each living being with varying levels of manifestation. Degrees of manifestation are variable. All this is very complex even beyond our contemplation and perception. Consciousness is originated from the origin where every living being is well connected in all aspects. Presence of consciousness in the physical body. Consciousness is present in each and every cell of our body. This gives the power of subtle feeling of liveliness to each one of us. Without consciousness, we lose the feeling of existence in this life. Consciousness does not need any energy for its presence and survival in the body. It has self-sustained energy for its existence in the body. It does not need any food for its survival in the body. It is survived by divine energy or force, which is connected with an infinite source of energy. Food and breath. When there is the presence of food in the system of the body, then breath is needed for its digestion. This restricts the presence of void for the manifestation of consciousness in the body. So, a lesser quantity of food and easily digestible food assists the consciousness to manifest in the human system in a better way. On the other hand, when the body is deprived of complete energy by sickness or less consumption of food or lack of food or due to severe injury because of an accident, etc., and then the body is not able to survive. Under these conditions, consciousness discards the body just after the breathing process is stopped. In this condition, only consciousness goes back to its origin, from where it has originated in the existence. Lord Mahavira on consciousness and food. Lord Mahavira has done fasting for many days to live in the divine glory. It is well documented that in the span of 12 years, he took food just for 1 year. He took particularly self-ripe fruits fallen from trees only for 1 month in a year. That is, only once in 10 days he has eaten. He continued this for 12 years and lived very healthy, gay, and happy. He was healthy and very handsome, though out his life with frequent fasting and consuming very less food just for survival. Active consciousness. Lord Mahavira's fruit intake was just for his survival, to maintain his body, to keep his consciousness suitably in his body. He has experienced very well that up to a certain level of hunger in the body, manifestation of consciousness is appreciable. Manifested consciousness of Lord goes out from the body through the apex center very easily as he desired and merges in the cosmos. This has given to Lord in-depth spiritual experiences of his life. Contribution of Lord Mahavira. He developed the science of non-violence, that is, ahimsa in many perspectives and multiple dimensions. His contributions are immense for society. He has clearly brought out that hurting others by words and even merely thinking ill for someone is violence. He developed a deep understanding of non-violence so that desired people to get easily liberated and get moksha even in their present life. he developed the art of meditation for inner evolution. Fasting level. Lord has established different ways and means of fasting. His instructions for the threshold level of fasting of householders are very scientific. He established if fasting exceeds the threshold level, then consciousness tends to leave the body. For healthy living and better digestion, his instructions are very scientific. And even today, medical science is fully supportive of his approach and instructions. He restricted his fasting just for 1 month in a year. This he did periodically as his system demanded. For others, his instructions for fasting were depending on one's constitution. He recommended to be a total vegetarian and even water intake to be fully filtered. His main aim was to survive in manifested consciousness, to be with the being. Necessity of food. It has been well established by Lord Mahavira that a minimum quantity of food is necessary for existing in manifested consciousness to be with self. One needs to establish his own threshold quantity of basic food for his health, well-being, longevity, and to exist in manifested consciousness to be always in divinity. Slight deviation can affect his awareness level. Conclusion. Food plays a very crucial role in the manifestation of consciousness. Critical food limit. One has to ascertain considering his health, well-being, and capacity to hold divine energy levels. However, in the present mundane world, it is very crucial. But for self-realization and to be creative in life, to explore the mystery of existence, life, and death, the only pathless path is to be with the being. For the manifestation of consciousness, one must take an optimum quantity of food as per one's requirement. This one has to be ascertained according to his body needs so as to retain the optimum level of consciousness in the body.